Natural selection is the idea that individuals with the best fit traits for an environment have a greater chance of survival and tend to live longer. The individuals that live longer have more opportunities to reproduce and influence the next generation as they pass on their traits for survival. Natural selection over many generations can result in the evolution or change of a species. Let's look at an example. In a cold ocean ecosystem lives a population of fish. There are two variations of this fish, a larger fish with high blubber content and a smaller, leaner fish. The blubberfish are slow swimmers, but they have an advantage because the blubber helps to maintain warmth in the freezing waters. Slender fish are still part of the population, but they have a lower chance of survival, especially in colder years. Because the blubberfish have an advantage, they are generally more common in the population. They tend to live longer and reproduce more times than the slender fish. Blubberfish are better suited for the environmental conditions. But what if the environment changes? Let's say that after 1,000 years of global warming, the average water temperature increases significantly, melting the ice and changing the environment. The warmer waters attract new species, including a population of predatory fish. Now, the blubber is unnecessary for survival. Furthermore, it slows the fish down, which is a disadvantage in the presence of predators. The slender fish now have the advantage. They no longer struggle in the temperature, and they are faster and more likely to escape predation. In this environment, the slender fish have a greater chance of survival. They live longer and reproduce more times. After many generations, we would see an increase in the frequency of slender fish and a decrease in the frequency of blubberfish. This is what natural selection is all about, shifts and changes in the traits of a population depending on who survives year after year. Individuals with the best suited traits for an environment live longer, reproduce more times, and pass on their genes. Favorable traits tend to increase in frequency over time. Individuals with less fit traits for the environment struggle to survive and have fewer opportunities to reproduce. Over time, unfavorable traits become less common in a population.